Welcome to session 2 of the mini series. Today we are installing the back interior. So we vinyled the back door panels and we've also got the seats upholstered, which look fantastic. So let's install them. I hope these fit because they took forever to measure and to cut out. I had to measure it like 3 different times. So it's not too bad. It's got a few ripples in it, which, I mean, you can't probably see just because of the lighting, but because it's concaved that way, obviously the fabric on this side loosens and creates a few ripples, but not bad, all in all. So pretty much the back interior is finished now, just a few little things, some trims and things, but mostly not too bad. A few mistakes, a few mishaps, but that's probably going to happen on your first go of doing something like this. Next we'll be doing the floor and the ceiling, so they're going to be real fun.